elements of arts and principles of designs. Paint me a picture. Identify what picture is trying to picture out and then spell the word using your body. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Well done, guys. So now let us discuss the elements of art and principles of design. First is the line. It is used to define and enclose spaces. Thick or thin, straight, wavy, curved, angular, continuous, broken, dotted, dashed, or a combination of any of these. If you see a straight road and a curved road, what are the different lines that you can see? Yes, absolutely. For the straight road, you can see a vertical lines. For the curved road, you can see also a curve or a wavy lines. Number 2, shapes and form. Shapes are defined by artists using lines and contrast in color and texture. Takes in various forms like square, rectangles, triangles, circle, oblongs, and figures of animals, plants, humans, mountain, and other forms. There are different types of shapes. One is geometric. Geometric shapes are controlled and regular. Organic are natural and free-flowing. Symmetrical are those sides have the same size, the same shape. Asymmetric shape doesn't have any same shapes in both sides. Next principle is value or tone. Value refers to the use of light and dark within a piece of art. The contrast between the two can create depth. It is done by shading a portion of a drawing of an object to make it appear three-dimensional. Number 4 element of art is color. Color is produced when artists use a various pigments and dyes to create range of different hues which the viewer's eyes and brains interpret as color. Texture refers to the smoothness and roughness of an art. In sculpture, texture results from the type of materials that are used. Next element of art is space. Space refers to the physical space within the objects and the area that separates them. The occupied area by the object is called the positive space, while the area between the objects is called the negative space. In this example, what have you noticed? What shape or form has been created in the positive space? Absolutely, you are right. The positive space composed of two persons facing each other, while the negative space forms a holy grail, or also known as Rubens vase. Moving on to the principles of designs. First, we have the rhythm and movement. Rhythm and movement refers to the repetition of the motif or elements of art. These are the lines, shapes, and colors. Can also create illusions of movement. Instead of static images seen in a work of art, the dynamics of curves and geometrical lines make a work of art more lively and pleasing. The next principle is balance. Balance refers to the idea of maintaining consistency of art. Symmetrical balance, when same shapes and colors and other art elements are evenly distributed on either side. Asymmetrical balance, Different shapes, colors, and other art elements are evenly distributed on either side, the vertical or horizontal. Radial symmetry, when various art elements branch off from the central point. Next principle of design is the emphasis. There is an emphasis when an extraordinary or different line, color, or shape is placed in the midst of the regular pattern. In this example, what have you noticed? What is the emphasis of this particular example? You are right. The sad emoji face emphasis in this particular example since it has different colors from the rest of the emojis. Next principle is the harmony. When art elements like colors, shapes, and lines complement one another, harmony is created. Next principle is unity. When there is sense of oneness, wholeness, or order in a work to make it feel united. Next up is variety. A variety is a principle of art concerned with diversity or contrast. Variety is achieved by using different shapes, lines, colors, and other elements. The last but not the least is proportion. It is the relationship of a certain element of the whole artwork should be considered in order to attain proportion. Now, you can test yourself. Are you ready? Picture analysis. Identify the following pictures of what elements or principle is present. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. Number 7. Number 8. Number 9. Number 10. Number 11. Number 12. Number 13. Number 14. Last number, 15. There you have it, guys, our quiz for today. Now, let us check your work. Congratulations, you did great! For art activity, choose a group number that you want to do or create. Group 1. Lines, rhythm, and movement. 2. Shapes and harmony. 3. Color and variety. 4. Value, tone, and emphasis. 5. Shapes and emphasis. There you have it, class, our lesson for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time!